Hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the 4th generation iPad Air released last October 23, 2020. We have here the 64GB variant with 3GB RAM. Now on to the parts. Compared to its predecessor, the iPad Air 3, the 4th generation iPad Air no longer has a home button on the bottom center portion of its screen, meaning the user can now enjoy an all-screen display spanning up to 10.9 inches. Earlier upon unboxing, I already noticed that the on and off button at the top of the iPad Air 4 is not your typical iPad button. It's color white. But later on, I found out that with the absence of the home button at the lower portion of the screen, your typical on and off button now serves another purpose. It's actually the Touch ID sensor for unlocking your iPad Air 4. Turning the iPad Air 4 on only requires you to long press the button at the top. But to turn the iPad Air 4 off, the user is now required to press both the top button and any one of the volume keys on the side. Long pressing the top button while the iPad Air 4 is on will only activate Siri. The rear camera is 12 megapixels. There are speaker holes at the top and bottom ends of the iPad Air 4, but the only input hole that you have on the device is the USB Type-C. Therefore, the 4th generation iPad Air no longer accommodates jack-type earphones. The white portion on the right side of the iPad Air 4 is the magnetic contact for the Apple Pencil. At the back, you'll see the magnetic contacts for the Magic Keyboard if ever you wish to purchase one. What we have here is the sky blue iPad Air 4. Now at first glance, I initially thought that it was the grey one, maybe because of the matte finish, but when I held it up against the light at certain angles, the platinum blue hue of color finally showed up to me. Even with an all-screen display, the front camera of the iPad Air 4 is still on the top rim of the device, which I really appreciate on a tablet as compared to the latest iPhones wherein the camera is obstructing the full view of the videos you're watching. Because it's brand new, the interface is really smooth and it's updated to the latest iOS. Built with a scratch-resistant glass, the iPad Air 4 does not come with any screen protectors. One thing I dislike about the iPad Air 4 is that it's really prone to smudge. Touching a bit of the front and back sides of the device already left fingerprint marks that weren't really easy to remove. So if you're not planning to purchase any iPad Air case or a screen protector, then I suggest that you be prepared with your wipes because you're gonna be constantly wiping out the fingerprint marks on the screen, even on the back, even if it's matte. Its thinness and smoothness constantly worries me that it might accidentally slip off my hand. Therefore, I easily recommend for you to purchase an iPad Air case for you to handle it better. So that ends my unboxing and first impression review of the iPad Air 4. Let me know if you like the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you want to have a long-term review of the iPad Air 4. Thank you!